Tá vendo o ribeirão de baixo ali, aquele lago?
Sim.
Pra lá é o garimpo, ó, né? Garimpo mecanizado que existiu quando eu cheguei aqui. Aí terminou em 96 esse garimpo. E aquela Serra do Veneno, essa daí, velho, que vai pra fumaça por baixo, essa daí da frente aí.
Entendi. Do lado de lá, né?
E lá no fundo, lá é Igatu, ó. Lá nas últimas montanhas lá, a parte direita, assim atrás de cá, é Igatu.
Slave away, no, no fun, no corporate Babylon. I'm never gonna be a pawn in their manipulation games. I'm taking the reins and breaking the chains. I'm never gonna kneel away. My prophet is heaven sent. No preacher, no president, gonna lead us astray. We never know. My own path to follow. No, if you'll overstay, yeah. My own truth to swallow. And I could, you know, I went from my guitar out of my back, pick up the slack, leave here tomorrow. But at the time upon of Babylon, I got to face the fact, embrace the abs, cut these chains of my sorrow. So I'm on a permanent holiday. I'm going outside to play. I ain't gonna slave away, no. No fun, no corporate Babylon. I'm never gonna be a pawn in their manipulation games. 10,000 years of captivity, we must eventually open up our eyes and see their manipulating we with so much uncertainty and so many mysteries. Why are so few questions?